Hey everybody, this is Cartoons and Collecting, and I got my parrots having some snacks. We got some Cheerios, got green grapes, and we got some lettuce. Have a nice healthy party here. Got one over there, that's Chester. And this one over there, that's Jasmine having some green grape. That's good, eh? I'm cleaning out their cages, so I figured I'd spoil them. So these are two different species here. This one right here, that's a pineapple conure. Her name's Jasmine, and that's Chester. He's a male Quaker parrot. He's a real quacker. You guys having a nice little party? Yummy, eh? Oh, you found a Cheerio. You like those Cheerios, don't you, Chester?
Yes, he does.
Yeah, Jasmine loves her grapes. This is Cartoons and Collecting. Take care, everybody.